In today's video, we'll take a look at the best drone under $500 to buy in 2022. We included the pros and cons of each product, so you can decide before buying the best one. Coming in number 5 of best drone under $500 2022 is Force One F11 GP. Best entry-level drone under $500. Right off the bat, the Force One F11 GP is not the best drone that you can get for under $500, nor is its camera. However, it's one of the best drones to get if you're just starting to fly drones and have no experience as a pilot. The drone comes equipped with everything you need to get started and fly it right away. It's also worth mentioning that it's GoPro compatible, so if you decide to expand your possibilities once you hone your skills, it's entirely possible. You can customize your drone, which is a great bonus. At number 4. Hubsan Zino 4K Drone. 2022 FPV Newcomer. Out with the old and in with the new, and placing straight into the top 5 best drones in the mid-range is the Hubsan Zino 4K foldable quadcopter drone. This is the latest FPV drone from Hubsan and priced at just over $300. It serves a great budget pickup in our top drones under $500 review. One of the best things about the Zino 4K is that, despite its price, this great drone barely compromises, if at all, in terms of quality features. From build quality to smart features and technical specifications, it is outperforming many of its competitors in this range. At number 3. Ruko F11 with Gimbal. Most versatile drone under $500. As a recent addition to the market, the innovative and rather impressive Ruko F11 GIM offers a plethora of high-end features, which is precisely why it's one of the best drones under $500. Even though Ruko is a mini, foldable quadcopter drone, its design comes off as sizable in comparison to Holystone's HS720E. Being a small camera drone that has an air of bulkiness, the Ruko F11 is still compact because it is foldable, and we have to say that its set of capabilities amazed us. It managed to outshine its price scope on multiple fronts. We enjoyed how easy to fly this drone was due to its agility and the 3 intelligent flight modes that it offers. At number 2. Holystone HS720E. Top budget option under $500. Holystone is generally regarded as a strong competitor to DJI. Some of its drones have started to stand out from the rest, and the company continues to prove itself to its customers, showing that it deserves its share of the market. One of their better drones has to be the recently updated Holystone HS720E. We must admit we were very surprised by HS720's performance. It genuinely feels like I'm controlling a high-end drone, much more expensive than the mid-range. At number 1 of the top 5 best drone under $500 2022 is DJI Mavic Mini 2. Best drone under $500 overall. DJI just launched an upgrade to the biggest game changer in the drone industry, the Mavic Mini drone. The foldable, under 250g drone is getting all of its specs and features improved with the new Mavic Mini 2. We are sure you have already heard, seen, or even flown a DJI Mavic Mini drone. It is one of the most recent drones by the famous brand DJI. Well, right now, the Mavic Mini 2 brings the amazing 4K camera and stability, plus class-leading flight range and flight time from the Mavic series to the under $500 price point. Shipping for the original Mini started on the 11th of November 2019. Thank you for watching the top 5 best drone under $500 2022. And we hope you enjoyed our drone buying guide. If you have decided to buy the best one, please look at the description below to get further product information.